For today's word study lesson, you will be playing a matching game. Earlier, we talked about the vowel sound ah and how it can be represented by different spelling patterns. So, for today's assignment, you will be looking at those spelling patterns to find matches. Your board or game board will look like this. You will be searching through all of these cards to find two matching patterns that represent the ah sound. Watch as I give an example. The first card I take off is this bottom right one. It shows the pattern for ah with AWL. I need to find another word that has the AWL sound that represents ah. I will click over here and see if I can find a match. This is not a match because it is a different representation of ah with OSS. So this is not a match. I need to cover these cards back up and try for another one. Now, a good strategy to have while playing a matching game is to remember what you already pulled. So I remember this one is crawl and this one was cross. So I'm not going to pick that one again. Let's try this one here. It looks like I found a matching pattern. I have shawl with AWL at the end, and I have crawl with AWL at the end. So this is a good match. I will come up here and click and type my two matches. So I'm going to type crawl, C-R-A-W-L, and the one that matches it, the one up here, is shawl, S-H-A-W-L. I have a discard pile down here with your cards after you get a good match. So you need to make sure you find 8 matches with the same pattern that represents ah, and when you're done and this entire chart is completed, make sure you click Submit Assignment.